So Schuyler Hospital was awarded a transformation grant in 2018. In 2019, construction started, and on April 21st of this year, we are very proud to complete Phase 1 of the transformation grant. Phase 1 is the completion of our new med-surg unit. The previous med-surg unit really had remained pretty much untouched since 1972. The fact that we can now provide state-of-the-art services with documentation at the bedside, having different zones to care for the patient, the ability for patients to stay in the room with their loved ones comfortably is going to be huge for visitors and for the family members and for healing into the future. We are really excited to step forward into the 21st century and be able to provide all the services that anyone else in our region can provide.
We've tried to bring as much of nature into our environment as we could. When we set out to design it, the design concept that we used was actually a journey through the gorge. As you come into the unit, you get a sense of nature with green soffits and green ceilings that help it feel like you're in a tree-lined canopy. We used a lot of natural light. As many windows as we could get in there. Natural light is a healing element. If anyone was ever in our old unit, those elements of the healing environment and person-centered care were not part of the designs in the 70s. It was all about institutional design. And here we are designing a program around the patient, around the ideas of bringing those natural elements into the care environment.
The design of actually the patient rooms was very exciting for all of us. The design team put together a plan and then brought it in and actually built a patient room on the floor that we could walk in, we could work in it, we could position all of the furniture. The staff was able to kind of see what it would feel like to work at the little workstations we have with a computer, where we planned where our communication board was going to go, where our closet was going to go, where our hand washing sinks and so on. Everything was planned for the convenience of the staff and efficient workflow and for the comfort of the patient and the family.
We are excited to continue this journey as Phase 2 of the project is now underway. This phase is transforming the old medical surgical unit into a new modern primary care clinic. So this is a really big year for Schuyler Hospital. The 100th anniversary is definitely a landmark year for Schuyler Hospital, and we are really excited to continue to change and grow throughout this year and into the future. And we're looking beyond, today and looking towards the next 100 years.